How do you think differences affect you as a student? Ito na naman tayo sa hanapan ng classroom. Ay! Ang tao. Asan kaya yung 2A? Ayun! Nakita ko na. Picturean ko nga.
Hello, konnichiwa. Oh, hi. Domo, sakto pagdating mo. Di ka late. I think she can understand you.
Anyway, there is a Filipino food restaurant nearby. Let's try it later. I have coupons.
Oh my gosh, what is this? I don't even know the words. Can I tell her that I don't understand? Oh, she's busy reading.
Bombastic side eye.
Do you want me to help you? Well, it's my chance to tell her because I'm hungry and I'm nervous. Can you help me?
Wow, I think that's our food.
Here's your spaghetti, Mom.
Wow! So that's spaghetti.
Hey, that's our food. Hindi man tayo magkakalahi. Pare-parehas naman tayong gutom.